Fun with Fire doing a very special experiment today because I'm going to do a couple of these guys. Silver Salute Maximum Load from Big Fireworks. And the plan is that I'm going to tape a couple of these big bad boys because these suckers are loud, these guys. And I'm going to tape them to a bottle, a 2-liter bottle of seltzer water. I'm going to shake it up, light it up, and hopefully have a nice big explosion. So let's try this experiment. Do it in the shaking. Okay, now I'm shaking her up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the bottle. Shake the bottle, because it's all carbonated. Okay. I'm going to do it right here in this bottle. Okay, here it goes. Here we go. Man, it didn't even blow up.